So before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and focus on our audible breathing with a brief meditation. So sit up tall with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Your hands can be resting on your thighs, either palms facing up or palms facing down. And gently close your eyes. So take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling your lungs fill with the breath. And slowly exhale also through your nose. On the next deep inhale through your nose, see if you can hear the breath in the back of your throat, sort of like a raspy Darth Vader sound. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, can you hear that same audible breath, raspy in the back of your throat? On the next deep inhale, send the breath to any parts of your body that may be feeling tense or tight. And as you slowly exhale through your nose, feel that tension release as your spine grows even taller. Let's take one last breath, breathing deeply in through the nose. You may feel your sternum rising, your abdomen filling, and at the top, hold your breath for a few seconds, and then see how slowly you can exhale through your nose, savoring the breath, relaxing your body, maintaining that length and space in your spine, and feeling a greater sense of calm and peace and relaxation. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. This multiple choice problem comes from the College Board. It's from section 4 of the SAT test, which does allow calculators. And the problem says, a motor powers a model car so that after starting from rest, the car travels s inches in t seconds, where s equals 16t times the square root of t. Which of the following gives the average speed of the car in inches per second over the first t seconds after it starts? So have a look at this and see what you can do. It's all right if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. You might have thought that this problem looks a little intimidating with that square root sign, but whenever you see something that might look a little complex or off-putting, I encourage you to focus on what you do know and try to make the problem as simple as possible. So this question is asking about speed of the car. And let's think about what simple formulas we know relating to speed. Well, you probably know that time times rate is going to equal distance. And that applies here. And because this problem is asking about speed, we can write this formula as rate is equal to distance divided by time. You're all well familiar with that. So now we just need to look at the problem. They're talking about a distance represented by s, which they're telling us equals this expression. So that's the distance. And they're asking about the time of the first t seconds. So that's the time. So all we have to do is divide those two things. I would have a distance of 16 times t times the square root of t divided by the time, which is t seconds. And all I have to do at this point is simplify this expression, and you see that the t's cancel, and I'm left with 16 times the square root of t, which lo and behold is answer B. So this turned out to be a pretty straightforward problem. You may have actually been able to do it on your own, but I wanted to use this as an opportunity for showing you that even when they give complicated looking information, it's probably drawing on simple information that you know. In this case, a very simple formula. I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy and reminder to rely on the simple things that you know. If you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I always love hearing your guys' thoughts. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.